Hello everyone, in this video we will guide you how you can create an ARV document, Advance Receipt Voucher document on TranZact. So suppose you have received some of advance from your buyer. Now, before delivery, the advance have came to you. So you need to log onto TranZact so that while creating the invoice, it should get adjusted and reflected. How you can do so? So you need to click on all modules, then need to go to sales and purchase. So here is one of my transaction which I have created. I will open this particular transaction timeline. Now, once I will open this particular transaction timeline, please check OC is created in this. From where you can go ahead and create an ARV document, right hand side, click on create document. Now here you will get an option of receipt voucher. Select receipt voucher. Once you will select it, please check this is the receipt voucher document. Here document number is already coming because it is set up on auto. Go below, you will get an option of payment date, on which date the payment came in your account. So it is of today. Now going below, here I can go ahead and provide an advanced description, advanced, or it is not mandatory. So you can leave it blank as well, and it will take the default value as advance. Now coming to next, advance percentage. You can define the advance as per percentage also and as per amount also. The amount which will come here, that will be pre-tax amount, because ARV is not a GST document. So that is the reason it comes pre-tax. If you want to take 100% advance along with tax, you can do it. You can simply just go ahead and mention 100% here. Go below, and here you can select the tax. Once you will select the tax, the amount will be 100%. You can also make the changes here, like suppose 50% I took the advance inclusive of taxes. Now I selected this tax here. Go below. This is the term and condition email recipient. If I don't want to send the email, I will just unselect it. Yes, don't send. If I don't want to show the signature, I can just click on attach signature and it will be gone. Now, going below here, you will get an option of save draft, save and send. So you can save it as draft. If further any edit need to be made, I will click save and send once it is confirmed. It will ask me the payment mode. So it was IMPS, payment account. It came into my State Bank account. I can mention the reference number, comment, continue. Once I clicked on continue, please check my ARV is created, and accordingly the payment is logged in the my payments account. You don't need to manually go ahead and log the payment in payments module. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you in order to go ahead and manage your advance receipt voucher. Have a good day ahead.